Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to delete items from Google Collections, step by step, updated for 2025. Whether you want to clean up old saved links, photos, or shopping items, this quick tutorial will help you keep your Google Collections organized and clutter-free. So make sure to watch until the end to learn every step. First is open your Google account. Go to the Activity section. Scroll down and select the View All option. Select the item and click the three dots in the top right corner. Choose the item and click Delete. And that's it. You now know how to delete items from Google Collections in 2025. Simple, fast, and effective. If this video helped you tidy up your saved items, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.